What's up, guys? I hope your day is going amazing and that you had a wonderful weekend. It's been 8 days since I've posted a video, and I'm sorry about that, but I've been moving. I tried to give many of you a heads up, so if you've been wondering where I'm at, I'm pretty much 90% done moving. Well, I'm done moving, but I've got a few things to build and unpack, so that's what I've been doing lately. We've had to get more furniture. I had to get a new fridge, a new washer and dryer. There's just been a couple things that have happened, a few bumps, but my life wouldn't be normal without a few curveballs. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get back to a more normal schedule as far as videos go. I'm not promising daily uploads for a while until I get my set and everything the way I want it, because as you can see, there's quite a few light sources in here. One over here too. So I need to set up in a perfect spot. So I don't know where that is yet. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited to bring higher quality stuff for you guys. I'm not gonna give you a house tour today, and I'm so sorry. I know many of you probably are looking forward to that. I'm gonna wait a week until we get the last few things put away, because I'm weird like that. I'm a neat freak. I want everything to be completely clean before I take you guys through my home. But I love all of y'all. I've missed making videos. Trust me, I've been, I don't know, I've been kind of going crazy. I feel like I needed to put out a video this week, but I had too many things going on, but that's life. We have to take care of ourselves as well. So I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you have turned to some of my other videos during this absence. There will be more coming. I'm still gonna do the CBD reviews and videos over that. I'm still gonna do the anxiety and panic attack videos. I still want to start doing more nutritional videos, things like that. And also I'm gonna be introducing essential oils to y'all. For those of you who don't know what those are, they are amazing for your overall health, but they can actually help you with anxiety and depression as well. So me and my wife have seen some amazing benefits already since getting these, so I want to share all that with you guys. But yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for being loyal. Thank y'all for being patient during this absence, and I will talk to you guys this week. So I'm officially back. I'm gonna start making more videos, and we're gonna get this thing rolling. Thanks, guys.